This portable Lightbox Studio arrives as a single folding unit that pops open in under a minute, so you can start shooting without wrestling with loose poles or fabric panels. Its generous interior space comfortably handles anything from small gadgets to medium-sized products, and the included bright white backdrop keeps backgrounds clean and distraction-free. Built-in LED strips deliver strong, even illumination with daylight-style color and a high color accuracy rating, so product colors look true on camera and require less editing. An additional directional light source helps carve out highlights and shadows, giving your photos more depth and a polished studio look rather than flat snapshots. The clever front opening with multiple flap options, plus a top hatch, lets you shoot from straight on, at angles, or from above while keeping reflections and stray room light under control. For online sellers, the direct compatibility with the Amazon Seller application streamlines the workflow from capture to upload, making it easy to maintain a consistent, professional catalog.